Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this talk here about language, the beauty of the language and the power. My name, as she said, is Fernando Tiberini, and I'm just delighted to be here tonight. Now, hand on heart, when you heard me speak in this accent, what were your reaction? What were you thinking? What were you thinking? It's like, how is this evening going to unfold? Yeah? Who is this person? Did you draw some conclusions? Now you heard this other accent here. You thought, oh my God, this guy is going to speak in this accent the whole evening? How is his lecture going to be? Finishing on time and all these things? Now, what if I would have started like this? You think, oh, maybe it's going to be super fun, this Fernando guy, is going to be maybe not very, structured, but maybe totally entertaining, And if I would have spoken like this, you would have thought, it's a bit like on holiday in Italy, yeah? So, what does that mean when you hear someone speak in an accent? You're a native speaker and you hear someone speak your language in their accent. Just as when you learn another language, you will have an accent. It always depends what language you speak, what other languages you speak of, and how you perceive an accent. We're going to first explore why accents matter, and then we're going to go a bit deeper into what language actually is, to then see how you can learn a new language and why you should learn a new language.